Okay, some of you may remember I was speaking about fixing errors in three-dimensional engravings with choosing correct composition. And here I have a perfect example for you. Right now in the center what you see is my first attempts at make engraving of a sculpture which calls Love and Loyalty. On a bigger size of horrible quality, we can actually see somewhat a dog on the lower right corner, but it's really undistinguishable, so it's sort of meaningless at this moment. But finally, last weekend, if we look at the same engraving here, all what I've done is I changed the position of camera. I changed perspective from which I was looking at the sculpture. So right now we can clearly see the dog at the feet of a cupid. So here's the same engraving in inverted format, but strangely enough the classical engraving looks better here, because this engraving does not really like things which are close to the camera. So anyway, so just by changing position of the camera we can drastically change the quality of engraving, and it is important for the subject to be as three-dimensional as possible, as deep as possible. Then you have more details brought out. So finally I was able to make an example of what I was talking about, and as you can see the difference is huge. Thank you. I hope that would help some of you. See you next time.